Hello my friends, as I stop for a quick water break, I just want to share a couple tips that I'm using mainly when I'm riding at high temperatures. Right now in British Columbia, in Kamloops right now, and it's about 2 hours from my home, and right now it's 36 degrees Celsius, about 97 Fahrenheit. So there's some stuff that I do to minimize my fatigue other than stopping every hour or an hour and a half to drink a little bit of water. But there's some steps that you can take to minimize your fatigue. The first one, I wear one of those, it's not really a kidney belt. This one is one of those you can buy in a hardware store. It's mainly for those folks that carry stuff, and has a nice pad on the back that it kind of helps me to keep my posture right. And these ones are really the ones that help me in long rides, mainly when it's bloody hot like right now. One, I make sure that I get my neck gaiter soaked. And by the way, this picture you see here is actually one of my pictures that I got printed on this neck gaiter, and it's nice and wet. And then a cooling vest. This one is probably one of my best investments I've ever done in the last 2 years. I think I paid about 40 or 50 bucks, but it's a lifesaver. You get it wet, and as you ride, the wind goes through it and kind of cools you down. It is a heat transfer process. That transfers the heat from your body to the vest, and have your chest nice and cool. It cools the whole body. So a short one, if you're riding in hot weather, a cooling vest is a great investment. This one happens to be a Triumph, but I don't care about brands. This one happens to be a half price when I got it. That was about 40-50 bucks, well spent. So that's it guys, I'm gonna hit the road again. I'm about 2 hours from home, so I just want to get home, shower, and relax because it has been a long day. Okay? Cheers.